If you crave crunchiness like me, you will love this cookie. Gluten-free, vegan, diabetic-friendly, chocolate, almond, no bake. First thing I did was I took a cup and a half of these rice biscuits and I just broke it up with my hands. I measured the half cup of almond butter and I broke up the 4 squares of the Ghirardelli. Now I am putting it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Take your parchment paper out and spread it across your countertop, or you can put it on top of your baking. 30 seconds seemed to be enough to get the chocolate melted. So I mixed it in with the almond butter, and now we're gonna mix in the half cup of maple syrup into the rice ingredients. Last step, take the cookies, well, take the batter, I should say, for the cookies. You got the rice, everything's in there, and bop, you just pop it onto like a little, I can never do good no bakes. My mom's like, it doesn't have to be, it's just gonna taste good. You don't care about the shape, but I kind of do care about it, so. And you can make them any size that you wanna make. So I'm not gonna be like, oh, it makes this many servings. I don't care. Just, you know, I'm not that concerned. I'll tell you for the whole recipe, how much sugar is, the only sugar that's in it is the sugar that was in the cereal. So I'm gonna try to find, if anybody knows of puffed rice or rice, like they're like Chex kind of, like these things, gluten-free, and it has no sugar, please let me know, because I'm sure it's out there, but it was so hard trying to find these ingredients on Amazon Fresh yesterday, but I was like, you know what, that's a good option. I'm gonna try that. I'm also gonna try I've never tried the gluten-free graham crackers, but I'm gonna try that because we're gonna make some. Oh, it's gonna be so good, mama. Gluten-free cheesecake. See, and the only problem with that is a lot of times, like I said, why I make my recipes is because a lot of times when you find gluten-free sweets and stuff like that, it's always got some type of sugar in it, and I really hate that. And it's like, and then also it's like really high carb a lot of times, like for example, almond flour and all these flours, a lot of times they have so many carbs, and it makes me freaking exhausted when I eat that. Like, I just can't eat carbs like I used to. And also, carbs are so bad, Mom. They're so bad for diabetics. So I don't want to eat carbs. I want my body, I mean, like, I'm okay with carbs sometimes. You need some carbs, but I don't need that many carbs like most people eat. And you don't need them either, but you just don't realize it. Like, most people don't realize how many carbs you're putting in your body, and like, that you don't need them. People are, oh, you gotta eat carbs. And like when you're a runner too, they'll tell you, you gotta eat all these carbs, and no, you don't. No, you don't. My body runs so much better when I'm not on carbs. And in the morning, like what you eat the night before, it really affects the next day, your workout. So in the morning, when I eat a lot of carbs the night before, guess what happens? I'm slow in my running, and I hate that. I hate being slow. I hate feeling tired when I wake up. Like, I should not feel tired. Like, when you wake up, you should feel energized and refreshed, not tired. You know what I mean? So, there we go. We got them. A couple of them are way too small, but my mom always picks on me for that. But it's okay. You're worth it. So, that's pretty much, like, mine are all different sizes. My mom always picks on me for doing that, but oh well. It's going to taste good either way. You know what I mean? All right. So, wash the dishes and put these in the fridge to cool for at least 30 minutes. You're worth it. Oh, you know what time it is? Taking it to the face. Man, that is chocolatey. I love the crunchiness of it because, that is good. That is, see, I love the cacao because it's so rich and chocolatey. It's like, that's real chocolate. There's no milk in it. It makes me feel like a queen when I eat decadent chocolate like that, and got it all in my teeth too. But it's so good. I love the crunchiness of the rice. I love the texture of things. That's why I love almond butter, the crunchy almond butter. Anyway, if you crave crunchiness like me, you will love this cookie. So, and the chocolate decadent. Yo, when you're not crunching on cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, you can crunch on this. Or You can also crunch on Quest. All of their products are gluten-free cookies. These are the best, the crunchiest. Love these. They got rice in them. Okay, so check out my next episode where I make gluten-free, vegan, diabetic-friendly pizza, low carb, made with chicken crust, ground chicken crust. No flour, nothing like that. It's gonna be super simple and you are gonna love it. Thanks for watching. Share this with a friend who's diabetic or celiac or just somebody who wants to get healthier. Once again, thank you, Quest, to our partners, and thank you to our sponsors.